Welcome back. Welcome to the exercises. So we wanted to create a method called say hello world twice. It should be easy, right? So let's go back. So what we want to do is to define a method called print hello world thrice, and let's define it. Print hello world, print hello world, print hello world. Press enter again. That's it. We have defined a method called print hello world thrice and execute it. That's it. We are printing hello world thrice. The other method which we wanted to create, it should be easy as well. So write and execute a method that prints following 4 statements. One of the important things that you need to decide here is the name of the method. I have not really given it to you. So it's up to you to decide what the name of this specific method is. So you could have called it anything. So let's just say print your progress. Let's say that's the name of the method. So before that, I would need to give a def. At the end of it, I would need to give a colon. The method code, we would have, just before it, we would have spaces as the indentation. And after that, we would say print your statement 1, next is statement 2, next is statement 3, next is statement 4. I mean, I'm not typing in whatever was there, right there. You'd be able to do it yourself. And that's it. So I would say print your progress, and we are able to execute the method. Now you can pause the video in here and try another exercise. I'd want to print statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4 on different lines using just one print statement. How can you do that? Try to pause the video in here and try it. So I want to use just one print statement and print exactly the same output as it is in here. Let's try it now. So def print your progress, print, I can say statement 1 / n escape characters. Did you forget about them? /n. If you remembered them, that's good job. /n statement 4. Now I just press enter. Now I can execute print your progress. Statement 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of the important things that you need to always remember is the difference between defining and executing a method. When we are defining a method, we are defining the body of the method. So what we are doing is we are starting with a def keyword. So def is a keyword in Python. I'm defining a method, and in the method, I'm having 4 lines of code. This is called method definition. So what we are defining is, okay, when somebody says print your progress, this is the 4 lines of code that you need to execute. That's what we are telling the Python interpreter. Over here, what we are doing is called execution of the method. We are saying execute the code of this specific method. What happens is all the code inside this method is executed. It's run by the Python interpreter, and you would see the output in here. You are seeing statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and statement 4. I hope you're having fun creating these methods. I'll see you in the next step. Until then, bye.